Have you had it with the freezes? Are you tired of having your hair in a bun? Are you looking to hide those gray hairs? Do you want to repair and straighten your hair with a do-it-yourself hair treatment that you can prepare at home? Yes, henna is your answer. All you need is henna and 2 more basic ingredients, and we are going to show you how. In this video, we are going to teach you how to correctly mix and apply all natural henna powder, and why it's better to use henna instead of chemical dye. Hola, my name is Margarita, co-creator of Pure Organic Henna and Jagua. Henna is well known for its dyeing properties, but it can also be very beneficial for the hair. Why use henna instead of commercial chemical dye? The chemical dyes are not healthy for the hair or the body. They commonly have ammonia in the ingredients. It breaks the protective layer of the hair. This process is irreversible and damages the hair forever. On the other hand, we have henna that have a color molecule that binds with the keratin of the hair naturally. This molecule not only dyes, but also have other benefits. Maintains scalp health, balances oil production and pH levels, conditions the hair, reduces hair loss while promoting hair growth, repairs and strengthens hair while preventing split ends. It is crucial to ensure that you use the 100% natural henna.
Okay, let's get started. All you need is 4 basic ingredients: water, henna, you'll need lemon juice from concentrate, and apple cider vinegar. You'll also need a bowl with a lid and a proper mixing tool. An electric mixer works best, and a hair dye brush will make your life easier. You'll also need a shower cap and a barber's cape to protect your clothes. And make sure you cover the floor with towels, because the henna will stain. We recommend Pure Organic Henna Powder for best results, but any organic henna will do. For medium to long hair, use 1 cup or 100 grams. Add 1 cup of water and mix well. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to make the hair extra shiny. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to help release the henna color. Mix well until there are no lumps and it has the texture of yogurt. Cover and let sit in a warm place for 2 to 4 hours. The paste is good for at least 12 hours. Test the paste on the palm of your hand, and if it turns red, it's ready. Before applying the paste, rub coconut oil or any vegetable oil around the face near the hairline, also around the ears and neck, so the paste does not dye the skin. Wash your hair with shampoo the day of the application, but don't use any conditioners or any other hair products. Make sure you use rubber gloves. Begin by parting your hair down the middle, and then grab a section of your hair and start applying first to the roots and then apply all the way to the ends. This process can be very messy, so be careful. Make sure you cover the whole section with a nice layer of henna. Once a strand is completely covered, roll it into a circular bun on top of your head. Make sure you add more henna to the bun when you're finished. Repeat this process by grabbing sections of your hair, apply the henna from the roots to the end, and then roll into a bun. Once you've rolled all your hair into a bun, add extra henna to completely cover your head. If you have leftover henna, you can store it in the freezer for up to 6 months. When you are finished with the application, cover your head with plastic wrap or a shower cap, and make sure it stays moist so it's easy to remove. Let it sit for 2 to 4 hours. The longer you keep it on your hair, the darker it'll dye. Rinse the henna completely out of your hair with fresh water. Don't use any shampoo or soap on your hair for 48 hours for best results. Over the next week, the hair will become darker, leaving it healthy and shiny. In the next video, we explore the different natural shades and tints that can be added for different color effects. You can find all natural hair care products on our website, pureorganicheena.com.
Thank you for watching. This is Margarita from Pure Organic Henna and Hawa. You can subscribe, like, or share this video so everybody can enjoy the benefits of using henna for the hair.